Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Best Practices for Ongoing Model Maintenance. Effective model maintenance in the context of the GenAI lifecycle is crucial to ensure the longevity and accuracy of machine learning models. Continuous monitoring and performance management are essential components of this maintenance process, addressing the need for models to adapt to changing data environments and business requirements. The dynamic nature of real-world data necessitates a robust strategy for ongoing model maintenance, encompassing regular evaluation, adjustment, and optimization of models to sustain their performance over time. Models, once deployed, do not operate in a vacuum. They are subject to various changes in the environment, such as data distribution shifts, evolving user behaviors, and alterations in underlying processes. These changes can lead to model drift, where the performance of a model degrades over time due to a mismatch between the training data and the new data it encounters. Addressing model drift is a fundamental aspect of ongoing model maintenance, as neglecting it can result in inaccurate predictions, decreased efficiency, and potentially costly errors for businesses. One of the best practices in ongoing model maintenance is implementing a robust monitoring system. This system should continuously track model performance metrics, such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score, to detect any signs of degradation. Monitoring should be complemented by alerting mechanisms that notify data scientists and engineers of significant performance drops. For instance, a study by Scully et al. Highlights the importance of maintaining a feedback loop where model outputs are continuously compared against actual outcomes, allowing for timely interventions when discrepancies arise. Data quality plays a pivotal role in the performance of machine learning models. As such, another best practice is to establish rigorous data validation processes. Ensuring that the input data is clean, complete, and consistent is crucial for maintaining model accuracy. Data pipelines should include automated checks to identify anomalies or outliers that could affect model predictions. In their work, Amershi et al. Discuss how organizations can implement automated data quality checks to safeguard against the introduction of erroneous data, thereby preserving model reliability. Regular retraining of models is another cornerstone of effective model maintenance. Retraining involves updating the model with new data to reflect the latest trends and patterns. The frequency of retraining depends on several factors, including the rate of data change and the criticality of the application. For example, in high-frequency trading environments, models may need to be retrained daily or even hourly, whereas in more stable environments, monthly retraining may suffice. According to Gamma et al., the decision to retrain should be informed by a thorough analysis of the trade-offs between the cost of retraining and the potential impact of performance degradation. Model explainability and interpretability are increasingly recognized as essential elements of model maintenance. Understanding the reasoning behind a model's predictions helps stakeholders trust and validate its results. Techniques such as shape and lime can be employed to provide insights into model decisions, facilitating transparency and accountability. As noted by Ribeiro et al., incorporating these techniques into the model maintenance process can aid in identifying biases or errors in the model, enabling corrective actions to be taken. Furthermore, the integration of human-in-the-loop systems can enhance model maintenance efforts. By involving human experts in the review and adjustment of models, organizations can leverage domain knowledge to refine model outputs. This collaborative approach not only improves model accuracy, but also ensures that models remain aligned with business objectives and ethical considerations. Amershi et al. Emphasize the importance of incorporating human feedback into the model development lifecycle, suggesting that such integration can lead to more robust and adaptable models. The deployment of shadow models is another effective strategy for ongoing model maintenance. Shadow models run parallel to production models, serving as a testing ground for new algorithms or features without impacting live operations. This approach allows organizations to experiment with different model configurations and evaluate their performance in a safe environment. By comparing the results of shadow models with those of production models, data scientists can make informed decisions about model updates and improvements. Scully et al. Highlight the utility of shadow models in mitigating risks associated with model changes, thereby ensuring continuity and reliability in model performance. Establishing a comprehensive documentation practice is vital for successful model maintenance. Detailed documentation of model architectures, hyperparameters, training processes, and performance metrics provides a reference point for future iterations and troubleshooting. This documentation should be regularly updated to reflect changes made during the maintenance process. As suggested by Gamma et al., maintaining thorough documentation not only facilitates knowledge transfer among team members, but also supports compliance with regulatory requirements and audits. In conclusion, the ongoing maintenance of machine learning models within the GenAI lifecycle requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses continuous monitoring, data validation, regular retraining, model explainability, human-in-the-loop systems, shadow models, and comprehensive documentation. By adhering to these best practices, organizations can ensure that their models remain accurate, reliable, and aligned with evolving data and business needs. As the field of artificial intelligence continues to advance, the importance of effective model maintenance will only grow, necessitating a proactive and strategic approach to managing model performance over time. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.